everybody, my name is Chroust. I'm a PhD student at Charles University in Prague, and today I would like to introduce you our research about fossil softshell turtle Rafetus bohemicus. In the beginning, I would like to talk about softshell turtles in general. Secondly, I will explain the differences between genera Rafetus and Trionyx, and in the end, I'm going to tell you about the CT models of preserved skulls and our interpretations. The softshell turtles is a group of freshwater turtles with a soft skinny shell. They are very common in the fossil record. Especially the shell fragments are very common. The stratigraphic range is from Cretaceous to present. A few years ago was described a new Miocene specimen, Rafetus bohemicus, according to one isolated fragment of ventral caudal part of the shell, the xiphiplastron. As you can see, due to the missing callosity on the surface, which is the small bony plate with the sculpture, it is genus Rafetus and not genus Trionyx as was supposed before. However, is this enough to describe a new taxa according to one isolated fragment of shell? There is no other diagnostic characters? So therefore, we compare the skulls of extant species Rafetus and Trionyx, and after that, we can see some differences. In Rafetus, the snout is shorter and broader, the edge of the maxilla is not concave, the intermaxillary suture is pretty short, and the intermaxillary foramen is quite large. As a result, we check all preserved skulls from the type locality Břešťany, which is located in Most Basin in northwest Bohemia, very close to German borders. The stratigraphic age of these sediments is lower Miocene. For complete views of the skulls, we used a medical CT scan to create a 3D model of them. However, only 3 skulls were preserved good enough to show the palatal area, which is important for the taxonomy. As you can see in figure A, the edge of maxilla is not concave, the intermaxillary suture is short, and it seems the intermaxillary foramen is quite large. Because of that, we suppose the fossil material belongs to the Rafetus bohemicus. In summary, we describe more diagnostic characters for Rafetus bohemicus and confirm the previously published data. Also, we confirm the distribution of this turtle in the Czech Republic during Lower Miocene. In the end, we open the door of big discussion. What is the geographic distribution of Rafetus bohemicus? Because other preserved material outside of the Czech Republic seems to be a Trionyx genus. So that will be our next aim for the future, to reconstruct the biogeographic distribution and the migration pattern for Rafetus turtle. In conclusion, we confirm the occurrence of Rafetus bohemicus in the Czech Republic and describe new diagnostic characters on the skull. We are very grateful to Walter Joyce, Yorgos Yorgalis, and Vladimír Černý for their advice and help with the current topic. Thank you very much for your attention, and now I'm glad to react to your questions.